This is Tile Layout Pro, the web app that helps you create, design and plan all your tiling needs. Draw custom room layouts to real-world scale, built around your exact project. Duplicate or draw multiple rooms with ease. Add objects to start building your full design. Use the new auto mode to instantly generate your chosen tile patterns inside the layout. Customize colors, patterns, joint size and tiles until you're happy with the final look. Calculate exactly how many tiles you need, including waste. Save and export your project ready to take to site with you or continue editing later. The advanced tile mode allows you to create fully customizable patterns from scratch, including more complex layouts like flagstone designs using multiple tile sizes. Work out exactly how many of each tile is required. Generate accurate cut size lists, all exportable for the job. There are also plenty of useful tools to help along the way, including a tape measure, movable center lines, tile fractions, and even the ability to upload your own image for the tile material. The Tile Layout Pro is the complete design package.